In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix GCash account is on hold. If you've seen a message saying your account is on hold, don't worry. This usually means certain features are temporarily restricted for security or verification reasons. The quickest way to resolve it is by using the official GCash Help Center and following the guidance tailored to your exact situation. Start by opening the GCash Help Center. You can access it from the app support or help section, or by searching for it online through the official site. Once you're in the Help Center, look for the section labeled Your Account. This is where GCash groups topics related to access, profile, and security. Tap that to continue. Next, select Login Tips and Issues. This category covers common sign-in and access concerns, including accounts placed on hold. From there, choose Account is on hold. This page is important, so take a moment to read everything carefully. GCash outlines the possible reasons an account may be on hold and offers specific links based on different scenarios. Find the link that matches your particular concern and follow the instructions provided on that page. The guidance may differ depending on what triggered the hold, so picking the right link ensures you get the most accurate steps and the fastest resolution. If you're not sure which scenario applies or you prefer direct assistance, look for the option that says something like, "Click here to contact support." Choose that, and you'll be taken to a form where you can submit a request. Enter the necessary details as completely and accurately as you can. Describe what you're experiencing, when it started, and any relevant reference numbers or messages you received. Keep your information clear and concise, and avoid sharing sensitive data like passwords or full card numbers. If the form allows attachments, include only safe, relevant screenshots that help explain the issue. Once everything is filled out, review your entries to make sure they're correct, then click Submit. After submitting, keep an eye on your email or the Help Center portal for updates from the support team. Response times can vary, but providing accurate details up front usually speeds things up. While you wait, make sure your app is updated to the latest version and that you have a stable internet connection, since both can affect access. That's it. By using the Help Center, selecting account is on hold, following the guidance that matches your situation, or contacting support with complete details, you'll be on the fastest path to getting your GCash account back to normal.